Hi, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we have rather used ABUS Extreme. It is the 83 WP53, the Z-Wave series. Picked this up off of eBay. Unfortunately there's no key with it, but what we'll do is we'll try and get it open and get a look inside and see what it's like. It's got a lot of this protective shrouding on it, so top of the keyway tension. Let's see if we can get in. There we go. Like I say, it's used, it's very old, and it doesn't quite seem to work right because the pressure on. And now let's see if we can get into it. And get this out without taking there we go. So it's a very nice lock inside. A few different features. It has a repinning window. If you change the key, you can repin a key quite quickly. We don't even have a key. And a lock keeper. So, let's have a look inside. Off. Okay, let me just move this down a touch. It comes off. So what we have, it's a 6-pin lock. However, if you can see that, it's only been keyed for 5 pins. Pin 1, 2, serrated, 3, 4, 5. Pop that up there. Serrated. Spool. And these have if that's going to focus, slight milling on the top there. Let's have a look and see what we have. We have driver pins. Pin 1. See a standard spring. Pin 2 is a spool. And slot 3 is another spool. Slot 4. Spool. Spring doesn't want to come out. And last we have slot 5, another spool. Springs. Nothing too special about the body. There is a bit of counter milling protection, anti-drill, and obviously your pin and window. Take one last closer look. That's what we have inside. Nice lock, obviously very old, not been, I think it's heavily weathered, so might get a look at that, clean it up, may even repin it. Anyway, that was the ABUS Extreme 83 WP 53, the Z-Wave series. Hope you enjoyed, thanks for watching, bye bye now.